everyone. So today we'll be starting with practice set 2.3 algebra standard 10th, and here we have to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Okay, so this is called completing the square method. Okay, now how it goes, completing the square method, you have to be very attentive while looking at this first sum, because it looks difficult but it isn't so difficult. Just where you have to make the changes and how you will be turning it to a square minus 2ab plus b square form, you have to be attentive. Okay, so the first sum says that x square minus x square plus x minus 20 equals to 0. Now this you have to convert it, you have to solve it by completing the square method. Now what is this method? Be attentive, children. So the first thing is you have to compare this. The equation should be in the standard form. All of you know what is standard form. The first and the second term, that is ax square plus bx, you have to compare always with x square plus 2xy. Okay, so comparing x square plus x with x square plus 2xy. Okay, so the first two you will be comparing with x square plus 2xy. Why we are doing this, you will just come to know when we complete the sum. Okay, now if I keep it here, x square plus x equals to this x square plus 2xy. So what happens here? X square gets cancelled. Okay, what remains is x is equal to 2xy. Here also what can we cancel? X we can cancel. What remains here? Nothing. 1 is equal to 2y. Okay, that means 2 will move here. Y is equal to what? 1 upon 2. Okay, now y is equal to 1 upon 2. We are interested in finding what is y square. Y square will be half square. Okay, that means y square is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay, this much if you all have understood. Okay, comparing ax square plus bx with x square plus 2xy. To get y square, we want the y square. Okay, now y square equals to 1 by 4. So this we'll write it like this. Therefore x square plus x, this we'll write plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 and minus 20 equals to 0. Okay, why we are doing this, children? So that now we want something as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now this is in the form, first three terms if you see, they are in the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Always when you follow this pattern, okay, this method you follow and you arrange the numbers like this, you will always get the first three terms as a square plus 2ab plus b square. You know what is the formula for a square plus 2ab plus b square? It is a plus b the whole square. Okay, so taking this into mind, we are solving this. This is x, a from here, middle sign, the sign of middle number we are taking from the second term, so plus, and third term square root, so 1 upon 4 we are writing half. Okay, so we have written a square plus 2ab plus b square in the form a plus b the whole square. Okay, what remains now? This. So I'll take minus common here, so what remains? 1 upon 4 plus 20 equals to 0. Let us solve this now. this will be as it is, minus 1 plus this will become 24 is 80 upon 4, correct? Cross multiplication equals to 0. So this will be x plus 1 the whole square minus this will become 81 by 4 equals to 0. Okay, this if you see 81 by 4 is actually the square of 9 by 2. Okay, so x plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 2 the whole square equals to 0. Okay, now I'll just clean this. So now if you see, this is in the form a square minus b square. Okay, after getting this we will certainly get this in the form a square minus b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? It is a plus b, a minus b, yes or no? Okay, equals to 0. So we have written a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so now solving is easy. This will become, if we solve this, 9 plus 1, this will become 10 upon 2. What will this become? 1 minus 9 will become minus 8 upon 2. Okay, so this will become x plus 5. Okay, and this will become x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so this is either this bracket will be 0 or the other bracket will be 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 4. Okay, so students, the sum is lengthy, but keeping the steps in mind is not difficult. How will you do that? The first thing you have to do is compare ax square plus bx with x square plus 2xy. Okay, and whatever you get as y square you have to add and subtract after this. So you will get in this form. Okay, after 2 or 3 steps you will get a square minus b square. Once you get this, 2-3 steps of calculation and you will get your x. Okay, let us do more sums so it will be far more easier for you. Okay, so second one is x square plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. You know, the first step we do is comparing x square plus 2x with x square plus 2xy. Okay, so what we get is x square plus 2x is equal to x square plus 2xy. So x square gets cancelled, same sign, 2x equals to 2xy. Here also 2x will get cancelled. What remains is 1 equals to y. Okay, that means y square will also be equal to 1 because 1 square is 1. So you know the next step. Therefore x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 1. Yes or no? Here we put this y square so that we get now x square plus 2xy plus y square form, minus 1, and then we write this minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, now what is this? This is, you will write this a plus b the whole square. Okay, what remains here is minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so x plus 1 the whole square minus, if I want to write this, this will be root 6. The square root of 6 is root 6. Okay, so we have got this in the form a square minus b square. Okay, so next step is a plus b and a minus b equals to 0. Okay, so now you can see it is very easy. Therefore x plus 1 plus root 6 equals to 0, or x plus 1 minus root 6 equals to 0. Okay, So if I send this whole there, it will become x is equal to minus 1 minus root 6, or x is equal to, here it will be minus 1 plus root 6. Okay, so these are the roots. You can write therefore minus 1 minus root 6 comma minus 1 plus root 6 are the roots of the quadratic equation. By which method we have done this? By completing the square method. Okay, quadratic equation. Okay, let us quickly revise this. This is the second sum we have done. Okay, what we do is we take the first two terms, ax square plus bx plus c, we take this and compare it with x square plus 2x plus y. Okay, so that we can get y square, because if we keep here y square, we know its formula is a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square becomes a plus b the whole square. Okay, so after getting this, we will automatically get it in the form a square minus b square. Once we get this, it is easy to find what is x. Okay, let us move on to third one. So let us begin third one. First we have to convert it in this form, m square minus 5m plus 3 equals to 0. Write the equation in standard form. Okay, then comparing m square minus 5m with m square minus 2mn. Okay, here we have to compare. Instead of xy you have to write mn. Okay, so I'll write this, m square minus 5m equals to m square minus 2mn. Okay, so m square gets cancelled. What remains is minus 5m equals to minus 2mn. Okay, now you can see m gets cancelled, minus minus also gets cancelled. What remains is 5 equals to 2n, correct? Now 2 we will send there, it will become n equals to 5 upon 2, correct? What about n square? N square will be equal to 25 by 4, correct? 5 upon 2 will become 25 by 4. So this we have to put, therefore m square minus 5m plus 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4, then we'll take plus 3 equals to 0. Why we take this? Because now we have completed the square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this. This is a, middle term sign will take, minus b. b will take from here. This is b square. So b will become 5 by 2, the whole square. Okay, so with this first term we have taken, first three terms we have taken, and we have made its formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square becomes m minus 5 by 2 the whole square. And what about this? I'll take minus outside, minus common because sign is here, so the sign inside will become minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, now this will be m minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus 25 minus 4 3s are becomes 12 upon 4. Cross multiplication equals to 0. So m minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus this becomes 13 by 4 equals to 0. Okay, now we want to convert this into root. Okay, so m minus 5 by 2 the whole square minus this will become root 13, 4 will become 2 the whole square equals to 0. Okay, So now we have reached where we are into a square minus b square. So we can write a, this is a, plus b, okay, and then we have a minus b, okay, a plus b, a minus b equals to 0. Then let us try to solve this. Minus 5 plus root 13 upon 2, okay, and this is m minus 5 minus root 13 upon 2, okay. So I'll clean this. So this will be m minus 5 plus root 13, okay, I'll keep it separate now, equals to 0, we are here, or m minus 5 by 2 minus root 13 by 2 equals to 0, okay. So here m equals to 5 upon 2 will go here, this will also go here, minus root 13 by 2, or m equals to 5 upon 2 plus root 13 upon 2. Now we can take the common denominator, 5 minus root 13 by 2, or m equals to 5 plus root 13 upon 2, okay. So this is what we have got, the roots of the quadratic equation. Final answer you can write, okay. Let us move on to fourth one. Now fourth one, the first time you are getting a sum like this where a is given, that means a is other than 1, okay. So in such a case what should you do? The very first thing, comparing it with x square plus 2xy, before that what you will do is you will divide the whole equation by a, okay. That means here you will divide by 9. Dividing by 9, what you will get here? This will become y square, 9 gets cancelled, minus this will become 12 by 9, okay, plus this will become 2 by 9 equals to 0, okay. Then now this y square minus 12 by 9y plus 2 by 9, you can see this can be cancelled, 3 4s are 3 3s are, so this becomes 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 equals to 0, okay. Now y square minus 4 by 3y plus 2 by 9 equals to 0. Now you can go comparing with y square minus 4 by 3y with, mind you students, this you can do only after you achieve the coefficient of the first term as 1, okay, the coefficient of standard form as 1, with y square minus 2yz we will take, okay. So therefore y square minus 4 by 3y equals to y square minus 2yz, okay. Here you can see y square gets cancelled, what remains is minus 4 by 3 and minus, so minus minus I'll cancel, what remains 4 upon 3y equals to 2yz. Again I can cancel y and y, okay. So z is equal to what? 4 upon 3 upon 2, 2 also will go here, okay. 4 upon 3 into 2 equals to z. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, what is z equals to? 2 upon 3, okay. That means z square is equal to what? 4 by 9. 2 upon 3 will become what? 4 upon 9. Okay, now you know children what to do. 4 upon 9, I'll add here y square minus 4 by 3y plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9 equals to 0. Okay, now you can see we are here with a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what I'll do, a minus b, b means 2 by 3, 4 upon 9 becomes 2 by 3, a minus b the whole square, minus, if I take minus outside, this plus will also become minus, because minus we have taken common. Okay, so now this will be as it is, y minus 2 by 3 the whole square, minus this will be 4 minus 2 means 2 by 9, okay, equals to 0. Now this again as it is, because this we have to convert it in root form, root 2 upon 3 the whole square. Unless and until we convert this into root form, only after that we can get a square minus b square form. Okay, so now this is a square minus b square, so we'll write a plus b, okay, and a minus b. Okay, I'm writing a plus b and a minus b equals to 0. Okay, therefore either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0, so I'll write y minus 2 by 3 plus root 2 by 3 equals to 0, or y minus 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 3 equals to 0. Okay, now if I send this there, y becomes y equals to 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 3, or y equals to 2 by 3 plus root 2 by 3. This will be positive, both will become positive, the signs will change. So you have got the final roots, either this or this, 2 upon 3 minus root 2 by 3, or y is equal to 2 upon 3 plus root 2 by 3. Now you can write this as taking 3 common, 2 minus root 2 upon 3, or you will simply put comma 2 minus root 2 upon 3, taking this as common denominator. So these are your roots of the quadratic equation. Beg your pardon, this is plus root 2 by 3. Okay, so let us move on to fifth one. So sum number 5, again you can see we want to eliminate this 2. So what we'll do is first dividing by 2, we'll get y square, because 2 upon 2 will become 1, plus 9 by 2y plus 10 by 2 means 10 upon 2 means 5. Okay, now you can compare the first and the second term with comparing y square plus 9 upon 2y with y square plus 2yz. Okay, so y square plus 9 upon 2y equals to y square plus 2yz. You can see y square we can cancel. What remains is 9 upon 2y equals to 2yz. Again you can cancel y and y. Okay, what remains is 2z, so 2 I'll send here, it will be in the denominator. Okay, So z we got 9 upon 4 because we cannot cancel it. So we are not interested in z. What we want is z square. What is 9 square? 81. 4 square is 16. So how are we going to write the equation? We'll write 2y square plus 9y plus 81 by 16 minus 81 by 16 plus 10 equals to 0. Okay, so beg your pardon, this is y square plus 9 upon 2y plus 81 by 16 minus 81 by 16 plus 5 equals to 0. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, so I'll write a plus b 9 by 4 the whole square, minus I'll take common here, so what remains inside is minus 5 equals to 0. So this will be as it is, minus 81, this will become 16 5s are 80 and common denominator will be 16, cross multiplication. Okay, so still this is as it is, minus this is 1 upon 16 equals to 0. Still we are not up getting yet this a square minus b square, so let us convert this into b the whole square. So y plus 9 by 4 the whole square minus 1 upon 4 the whole square equals to 0. Now this is in the form a square minus b square, so I'll write a plus b, a minus b equals to 0. Okay, so this becomes y plus 9 plus 1 10 by 4 and this becomes y plus 8 upon 4, okay, equals to 0. Then this, you know, y plus this will be 5 upon 2 and this will be y plus 4 ones are 4 2s are equals to 0. Okay, further this will become y plus 5 upon 2 equals to 0 or y plus 2 equals to 0. So y becomes here minus 5 by 2 or y equals to minus 2. Okay, so you can write the final answer here. Minus 5 upon 2 comma minus 2 are the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, then sixth one is not given in standard form, so the very first thing we'll do is convert it into standard form. Okay, now this is in standard form, then we have to eliminate this 5. We don't want this coefficient. Okay, so how can we eliminate it? Simple, dividing it the whole equation by the same coefficient, dividing by 5. What will we get? X square minus 4 by 5x minus 7 by 5 equals to 0. Okay, now you know children what we have to do. Now comparing x square minus 4 by 5x with x square minus 2xy. Okay, so let us compare. X square minus 4 by 5x equals to x square minus 2xy. So So we are here, sorry, x square gets cancelled, okay, and minus minus also gets cancelled. What we have is 4 upon 5x is equal to 2xy. Okay, so here what can we cancel? X we can cancel, 2y, so 2 will go here. I'll write y is equal to 4 upon 5 into 2. 2 moves here. Okay, still we can cancel this. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Y equals to 2 by 5. Okay, now 2 upon 5, so y square becomes 4 upon 25, correct? Now you know the next step. We'll take this x square minus 4 by 5x plus 4 upon 25 minus 4 upon 25 minus 7 by 5 equals to 0. Okay, so here we are a square minus 2ab plus b square, so we can write a minus, this becomes 2 by 5 the whole square, minus 4 upon 25, this becomes plus because minus we have taken common outside, 7 upon 5 equals to 0. Okay, now x minus 2 by 5 the whole square minus this, let us take common denominator 25. Okay, so this will be 4, same, but this we have to multiply by 5, so this has to be multiplied by 5 also, so 7 5s becomes 35. Okay, now x minus 2 by 5 the whole square minus 39 by 25 equals to 0. Okay, now x minus 2 by 5 the whole square minus 25 has a square root 5, 39 does not have, neither can we convert it into pure surd. Okay, mixed surd, I beg your pardon, root 39 we cannot convert, so I'll write it root 39 upon 5 the whole square equals to 0. So this comes in the form now a square minus b square, so this will be a plus b, a minus b equals to 0. Okay, that means x minus 2 upon 5 plus root 39 upon 5 equals to 0, or x minus 2 by 5 minus root 39 by 5 equals to 0. Either this bracket is 0 or the other bracket is 0. That is why we are getting the product 0. Okay, so now we'll solve this. X equals to 2 upon 5 plus root 39 by 5, or x equals to 2 upon 5, this will also become minus 2 by 5, this will become minus, and this will become plus root 39 by 5. Okay, so x is equal to 2 minus root 39 by 5, or x is equal to 2 plus root 39 by 5. Okay, these are the quadratic roots of the quadratic equations. Okay, so with this we complete our practice set 2.3. Goodbye children, we'll be coming up with practice set 2.4.